Hi, this is Michelle from the Technology Learning Center. Today I'll be making miniature evergreen trees that you can use for Christmas displays and decorations or for model villages. You'll need cardboard, scissors, evergreen cuttings from your backyard, wire cutters, and a hot glue gun. We have a kit that you can ask to have included with your next curbside pickup with written instructions, a template to cut, and a bar of white soap to make your tree snow covered. We'll begin by making the form for the tree. I used a cereal box because the cardboard is strong yet bendable. To create a three-dimensional cone shape, you'll need to draw a quarter circle. You can do that by attaching a string to a pencil, then holding the string in one corner and drawing it, or you can just use the template in our take-home kit to cut it out. Cut along the curved line, and then roll and bend the cardboard into a cone shape before you glue it. You'll be adding glue along one straight edge of the cone. The cone doesn't need to be perfect because you'll be covering it over in the next steps. The tighter your cone, the narrower the tree. Now get your hot glue gun ready. And apply glue along one straight edge. And roll it onto the table until it fits together, being careful not to get the glue on your fingers. Hold the shape until the glue dries. Next, prepare your evergreen cuttings. I used juniper and cedar branches because the cuttings will last longer than pine trees. Cut very small pieces with scissors or wire cutters. You'll need a lot of them to cover the tree. Start gluing clippings on at the bottom of the cone, gluing small sections at a time. Then proceed up the cone in layers. The tree will look best if you used very small pieces of the clippings. It makes it a little harder to glue them on, but it will look more natural. Be careful at the top of the tree to make sure all the branches look like they're coming together. Now you can go back into the tree and fill in the bare spots. Don't forget to remove the hot glue strands, or your tree will look like it's covered in cobwebs. Trim the bottom branches so it'll stand up on the table. Watch our social media for our next video on how to make snow flocking on your tree out of white soap. Happy making!